Hello friends, hope you are all fine and doing well. Beginning of the year is the period when millions of people make New Year resolutions. People distill their hopes and dreams for self-improvement into a shiny set of New Year's resolutions. These goals range from getting fitter, building healthier habits to becoming financially independent and many more. And they often start out with the best of intentions. So, why is it that so many New Year's resolutions fail every year? One survey shows that by February, as many as 80% of New Year's resolutions will have been abandoned. This suggests that we need to approach New Year resolutions differently. I remember once in a gym, a person who looked highly excited goes to this fitness trainer and approaches him by saying that he wants to build a muscular body and requests him to be his fitness coach. So the first question this fitness trainer asked him was, "How long do you think it's going to take for you to have a muscular body?" And the person replies, "Well, I am healthy, I am already committed, and so I think it will take around 2 months for me to have a muscular body." The trainer said, "Well, this is what we need to change right now, even before we begin. As long as you believe that you can make these changes in your life and see the results in 2 months, you are setting an unrealistic goal. And in 2 months, when you won't see your expected results, you may give up." And the trainer says, "If you commit to this, and if you invest your time and energy, and follow all the steps that I instruct you, it will at least take 6 months to see any visible changes in your body. And until you and I are on the same page, and you truly understand that it's really going to take that much time, we cannot begin." One of the major reasons why resolutions don't work is that our mind looks for instant gratification instead of delayed gratification. So the approach should be, what must be sacrificed today to build a better tomorrow? The larger and more valuable the sacrifice, the greater and more abundant the rewards. So this reflection that many give up on their resolutions is because we have a very unrealistic expectations about the results, and we want to see quick outcomes. And when we don't see that happening, instead to continue to stick to it, we get demotivated and tend to give up. In making resolutions, we need to be conscious that as we make goals in our mind is building expectations to see the quick results in short time. So the point is, in life, important things take time. And if they are important, then it should be a part of our regular habits. Not just for a week or few months, but lifelong habits. So in order to see impactful results, don't set performance-oriented goals. Performance-oriented goals create stress. Examples of performance-oriented goals are, like, I want to reduce my weight by 10 kilos in 2 months. I want to score XYZ percentage in the coming exams. These are performance-oriented goals. They create pressure in our mind. As when we fail to achieve these goals, we get demotivated, demoralized, and give up. Instead, set process-oriented goals or self-improvement oriented goals. Like, yesterday I did 10 push-ups. Today I will do 12 push-ups. Yesterday I read 3 pages. Today I will read 4 pages. Focus on the process. If we will focus on the process, then we will see our growth and we will get an impactful outcome. If we take care of the process, then outcome will be automatically taken care of. So, focus on the process, not on the outcome. If you work on the process and keep doing it, then outcome will automatically be great. As the gym trainer said, before beginning, it's important to come to an understanding that it's going to take time, else you will get demotivated. Brazilian footballer Pelé says, success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. So, with this understanding, let's stick to our goals and resolutions to make this year the best year of our life. Thank you.